Okay guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I just want to quickly give you this update guys. So this is basically for a few African countries that are permitted to participate in this event that is ongoing on this app. So this app is called this is Simple Opera Mini. But I'll be showing you how you can be able to make money. You can win a grand prize with this simple trick guys. So now let me quickly go to my I have a proof. I have a lot of proof. I have many of these. So when I go to this is my OPay account. I don't save money here, but I used it for this particular event, and I will show you the money that actually came from the platform. So when I navigate to this place, you will see that I received money, and this particular money came from Opera Mini app um, platform. So when I tap on this money received, you will see that this money actually came from World Cup prize. So this is actually the cash source of this particular amount I received. It's just 4K. But I will show you how to get this. More than this, you can win iPhone, you can win Samsung, you can win Airtime, big time guys. So there are so many things that you are going to benefit when you participate in this particular simple event. So let me just navigate back to my Opera Mini app. So when I'm here, just use the link in the description of this video and you get the updated version of this particular Opera Mini. So, and when you've already gotten the updated version, come back, install it, and you see this particular icon showing this thing, showing this handle, a hand with phone. So this is actually what we are going to focus on and make use of in this particular tutorial. So I will just simply click on it. But if you don't see it on your own, simply tap here, click on this particular Opera Mini icon also, so it will actually pop up list of options. You can literally see it here where it is saying shake and win. So let me just tap on it and show you how it works guys. It's just a good offer for you to make free money and also win various things on this particular event. Now, so I'm already here. The first thing you're going to see is this particular message. It's saying enter. So you just see this message enter. So you see this message enter. These pop-ups are what you can easily claim for free guys, without any investment or with any demand like that. All you need is just to be participating in this shake and win. You get it at any moment you started. Now this is the next thing you're going to do. For the first time, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. So after the first shake, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number so that you will save the progression of your activity. So just tap on this enter. As you can see, I have already exhausted this particular one, so it's not going to bring shake. But for the first time, or for after 4 hours, so as you can see, this countdown is gradually coming, it's getting minimal. So when it gets to 0, I will see shake here. Instead of seeing this see available prices or this countdown, you will see shake. So that is when you tap on shake and shake your phone small, it will bring a prize for you. Now, how do you go about this? Now, if you have already gotten to the next stage when you are to shake, you just need to, let me just quickly tap on this see available prices. So let's just review this and see what you can easily win on this platform. So these are the list of things that have been provided as offers or or grand prize one can easily win. So when I tap on this one to show you actually the money I showed you that it entered to my OPay account, you can see that I won this. I actually got this 4K cash voucher, and I'll be earning many prizes on this particular activity. So I have two accounts. This is one of my cloned app. If you need a video on how to clone an app so that you can be able to use it, you simply comment in the comment section. Let me make a video on that and show you how to clone this application and then use as many numbers you wish on different Opera app you've installed in the same phone. So now this is actually 500 naira MTN, this is 200 naira MTN. I will not even count the number of times I've actually won prizes on my other account, which is my second line. So what you are going to do right here is to click on this. Let's go back to available prizes, the ones that you can literally claim. So I've been winning so many things, I've been claiming so much here, I've been getting prizes. So when I navigate this first one, it's saying 4 in progress. So I have 4 in progress now, so it's remaining 2 for me to win this particular prize. So it just, if I finish, if this is completed, these 2 pieces, I will win this, and they will show me the step-by-step guide which will be lined up here, how I can be able to claim it, and this will be unlocked. I can be able to see claim your won prize, and it will take me to the next stage where I will input the details I'm needed to submit for the collection of this particular prize. Now let me just review the second one. As you can see, this one remaining 2. So when I still click on this, you will see that this one is remaining 3 for me to get it. So when I click on this airtime, you see it's remaining 2, just 2 to get it. So I'll still click here, and you see this one is just 1 to get 1000 naira airtime, and I will be giving the pin to recharge. So also this cash voucher remaining 1, 10,000 naira is remaining 1. So, and when I come down to this particular one that is showing 160,000 cash voucher, I will show you it's just 1 that is remaining for me to get it. So as you can see, I only need to claim this particular one now will be claimed when 1 piece is completed. So I'll be receiving 160,000 naira cash voucher. As you can see, that they actually paid me the 4k voucher that I got from the same event. So that is actually how to do this particular activity or to participate, guys. So you can literally do as many as you wish. You can clone an app and be using 2 different lines or more than that, and you definitely get to win a lot of things from this particular event that is ongoing. So that is actually all about this particular video. So to clone an app, let me just quickly review this that also in this video I'll show you how to clone an app. So all you need to do is to come to this particular place, and the app link will be dropped in my group. So when you need it, you just hit my group link, then get to the group, then you can be able to install the app, then follow the steps that I'm going to show you now on how to clone an app. Okay guys, the app is actually loaded now, so I will show you how to do it right away. Now this is actually how the interface will look like. So the first thing you're going to do is to navigate here and search for the app you want to clone. So just click on this search icon and you can be able to search for the app. So for instance, I want to clone Opera. Again, let me tap on it. You can see it's popped up this. Now I have to scroll down and come to this particular option that is saying clone option. So just click here and carry out a few settings. So just turn this on first, then you turn this on, then you turn this on. So now you still turn this on as well, and also turn this particular one on. So now you come to this place that is saying okay, so you come to this up, you will locate this clone number. You can adjust this to from 1 to 5. So you can simply tap on this and turn this on as well, turn this on. Then you adjust this badge, you click on this badge, then from this 1 to this, you can adjust it from 1 to 5 depending on the number of clones you want to make. So that is actually how to set it up. Now when you're done, you click there, and then you come to this place where it's saying tick. So you just stick on it, just stick here. You can see you can now tap on this okay. So you click on okay. You see that save update. So this app now will update, then and then clone it itself. So I will now have another version of Opera Mini apart from the main one that I've already installed. It will be installed as another Opera, the same Opera, but it will be doubled and tripled, even up to 5 times or 10 times depending on the number of clones you want. So it's going to write to the external storage and consider enabling the redirect external storage. So this is what it's all about, guys. And while it's counting to 100, so it's signing up. So I wait for it to sign up. So it's creating clone 2 of 5 now. It's cloning. So when it's done, it will install successfully. So when it's done installing, I can be able to see it. So but let me quickly cancel this particular progression, cloning progression that is taking place now. So that is actually how you do it. Now if you want to install as many as you want after downloading it, you click on this cloned app. So you click on cloned app. You see you also have another number here. So these are the apps, these are the ones that I've already cloned. And the next thing I'm going to do is, if I want to increase it, you want to install another one, so I can simply tap on install. So as you can see, it's showing installed. So I'll just tap on install. This one is pending, so I'll just tap on this install. Automatically it will be installed. It will be numbered as Opera 3, so it will have this logo 3 2 to be numbered, so that you know the exact one that you want to open anytime you want to open them. So that is actually how to carry out this. Oh guys, so if you have gotten value from this particular video, kindly give it a like, guys, and comment in the section if you need any inquiry or verification about how to do this, and also how to go about this particular event also. So thank you guys for watching.